This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort by last name in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet with a list of first names and last names in two separate columns. And let's suppose I want to sort this by the last name so that the names at the beginning of the alphabet start here and the names at the end of the alphabet are here. What you need to do is you need to highlight all of the cells that you want to sort. And so if you had other information about these people here, in these columns, you would want to highlight all of that, and then you want to go to data at the top of the screen. Then you want to select sort range. You don't want to sort the entire sheet because then it will sort the cells that say first and last name. So you want to select sort range. And here it has sort range by column A, going forward or backwards. But since you want to sort by column B, you need to select advanced range sorting options to get more columns to sort. Once this screen is open, you want to go here where it says sort by and look at this drop down menu and then select column B and then select the order. Do you want it to be in forward alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order? I want it to be in forward alphabetical order, so I'm going to keep it A to Z and then select sort. And now everything has been sorted by column B. And again, if you had more information like their birthdays or their grades or their favorite colors or whatever, as long as you selected sort by column B, everything else in that spreadsheet will also be sorted by column B. So I can give you an example of that. I'll put some numbers here. So I'm going to put 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2. So I put some numbers here and I'm going to again select all of these cells because I want this information to be included in the sort. And then I'm going to go to data. And then I'm going to select sort range, and then I'm going to select advanced range sorting options. I'm going to select column B again, and notice that Olivia Mitchell is number 4. When I select sort, the information in column C changes, and Olivia Mitchell is still 4. So this still helps you when information is in other columns, as long as you highlight those columns when you are sorting that part of the document. So this video shows you how to sort by last name in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.